Question number 26. Stationary waves can be formed in the air columns of pipe. One type of pipe is closed and the other one is open pipe. Okay. Another type of pipe is open pipe at both ends. Which pipe can form a stationary sound wave with the lowest frequency? Okay, lowest frequency. What do you mean by it? Which means it should be highest wavelength. Highest wavelength. Okay. Now let us use this clue here. Now here you see a open end is always an antinode. Antinode. The middle point would be the node over here. Okay, and the distance between an antinode and the node would always be equal to lambda by 4. So here it is lambda by 4, here also lambda by 4. Lambda by 4. So what should I do now? If I add these two, what will happen? Lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 should be equal to total length 2L, or lambda should be equal to 4L here. Now let us do the same analysis. This would be the node, this would be the antinode, then distance between these two would be lambda by 4. Now once again, lambda by 4 is equal to 2L, or in other words, lambda would be equal to 8L. Now let us see here, this will be antinode, this would be antinode, distance between these two would be similar to this. Lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 should be lambda by 2 here. So lambda by 2 is equal to L, lambda is equal to 2L. And if I do this one here, this will now become antinode, this will become node. So therefore this will now, this distance here, let me write it down here. Let me move my picture, put it over here. So this distance over here would be equal to lambda by 4, or lambda should be equal to 4. Now which of them has a greatest value of lambda? B has the greatest value, right? So which will have the least frequency. Simple.